Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia Garden, and we are in the kitchen as usual. So allow me to show you what we're gonna cook today. Guys, I tell you, you're going to enjoy. And today we are going to make bone soup. Look at it, very nice, already washed and very nice. I can't wait to take this one because it looks to be so nice. And because guys, I don't like taking just plain bone soup, I'm going to spice it up a little bit, and to spice it up, I'm going to add some leaves. What do you call this? Celery leaves. Some leaves of celery, rosemary, and coriander. So welcome as we do this. Guys, remember to watch, remember to like, remember to share, remember to turn on your notification button for more videos, guys. And let's watch these videos to the end, guys. We need the watch hours. So join me, guys, as we do this. Guys, I love you so much. Subscribe if you are new. Oh, so nice, guys. So nice, so nice, so nice. So guys, those who know how I cook my soups, I like frying some onions in there. Remember, as you take your soup, guys, you need also the flavors. So we layer out the flavors according to what you want for that day. So as I told you, I'm going to add rosemary and celery. That will be enough together with the onion and carrot. So right now, we fried our onion to become translucent. Then we go to the next step. So your onion is well cooked. So we go in with our bones. Let them cook. Pretty nice. We give it more time. We want the flavors to infuse the bone. Guys, try this. We want some little wetness, so as you know, salt will squeeze out the juices from the meat or from the bones. So here we go with our salt. Let's cover, give it little time. Coming out so well. So now you can go in with your rosemary and with your celery leaf. So nice. Let them cook together. The flavor, guys, on another level. At this point, guys, see, I want you to see our bones are cooking well now. They have all changed. You can't see any blood spots. So these are nice. And the salt is doing its work. You can see it is squeezing out some juices. So it's not dry enough. Look. Yeah. So let's go in with our water. Make sure you add enough water to cover each and every bone. So that's what we are doing. So you can see the soup already has covered each and every bone. So now this soup is we are going to cover it and boil it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Remember guys, we want, as we remove the soup, the water to extract all the bone marrows, all the juices from the bones. And also we want, as we remove, that the bones are separating well with any meat which can be available. This soup is very nice for your gut health. It also gives your skin a very nice elasticity. So make sure that you take a cup of bone soup every day. And guys, to present for presentation purposes, we throw in our carrots. Carrots play a very major role in our soup. They're good. They make the soup to be presentable when you are serving. And also, they absorb in any excess salt, any excess fats found in the soup. So this is a perfect thing to do when you're making your soup. So let's cover our soup and give it 1.5 to 2 hours to boil. And this is wonderful, guys. Look at that. Soup boiled perfect. Give it 1 hour, we come back to serve. Look at the way our soup is coming out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. You see, guys, our soup doesn't look too fatty. The reason being, we have our carrot there to absorb excess fats and salt. So this one, we don't need it. The rosemary branch. The flavors, wonderful. So let it cook. When you want nice soup, you cook until the meat comes out of the bone. This one. So we give it about 30 more minutes. We have already boiled it for about 1 hour. Now you not need to add more water. This one will be very, very okay. So nice. So let's continue boiling. Ida, come on. Ida, come on. Wow, guys. Wow. Look at that soup, guys. Our soup is ready. Ready. Look at the meat, it looks very strong. So allow me to serve my soup and enjoy. So nice. So this soup, you can take it with bread, just like that. It can be taken by anybody, sick, young, old, somebody losing weight. It's so nice. So allow me to enjoy my soup because it's ready. Look at that. So until next time, bye for now. Remember to like, to share, comment, and also subscribe, guys. Watch my videos up to the end. For now, it's bye-bye. Guys, I served my soup and it looks delicious. Delicious. So allow me to enjoy my soup. our bone soup. So nice. So nice. Full of flavors. Very healthy soup. And you see the carrot is not broken. Very nice, guys. It's very, very nice. When I tell you it's sweet, so nice. So allow me to enjoy my soup. Until next time, bye bye for now. We love you so much.